Hey, all you beautiful people, my name is HardDuckman, and welcome to Lights Off, a game about a childhood fear that most of us has had. You know when you're going to bed, you're about to get your little footsies tucked underneath the blankets, and you're like, ooh, I gotta turn the lights off. But what happens when those lights go off? When there's nothing but darkness? Is there something lurking in the shadows, something about to bite you and eat your butt? Huh? You don't know. And that's what this game is about. Let's start. Night one. Oh. Switch all the lights. This looks like a sweatshop. Holy crap. What kind of house do I live in? Okay. Simple enough. Turn the lights off. Oh, it's very dark. Obviously, that's what happens when you turn lights off. It's very dark. Oh, we're up the stairs. We're up the stairs. We're up the stairs. Before the demon gets you. Before the demon gets you. Oh, you don't want the demon getting you. Where's my bedroom? In there. Nice. We're conserving power. We don't want to waste power here. Our house already looks like a prison. We need as enough money as we can to buy some furniture. Alright, bedtime. Why is there an eye? Oh, hold left click. Oh, that's weird. I wish I could fall asleep like that. Because that would be terrific. Oh, night two. Now, the first night went great. Nothing bad happened. It was awesome. Sweet. So I can only imagine that things are going to get sweeter. I don't even wake up and have breakfast. My entire life is just going to bed and turn the lights off. Actually, no. We probably had a full day. We're not... Oh. Who turned that light on? Hey, who turned that light on? Oh, okay. I don't want to know who turned the light on. I don't want to know who turned the light on. I really don't want to know who turned the light on. There's another floor to the house. Oh. Damn, maybe I'm big rich. Maybe I'm big rich. Thought I was poor. Oh. I heard someone come down the stairs. Go to bed, go to bed, go to bed. Monsters can't kill you if you're asleep, right? That's how it works? That's how I think it works. As long as you're in your bed, you're underneath your covers, you're safe. I believe so. Right? Right? That's how it works? Someone back me up here? I'm all alone? There's no one in the house? Pictures? All my friends, my cats, my duck? Back me up? No? Oh. The music has taken an unsavory turn. I'm not the biggest fan of the music switch. Oh. Now that's either someone breaking into my house who wants to harm me, or someone sawing a piece of wood. Only one of the two. Only one of the two. Only one of the two. Hello? Who's up here, huh? Hey! Hey! Oh! Hey there! Hey! Don't come after me! I'm going to bed! I'm going to sleep! I'm going to sleep tonight! I'm going to bed! I'm just a little kid! Where the... What the fuck was that? Who's making those noises? Who's messing with my blankies? Who's messing with my blankies? Who's doing that? Is the game recording? Am I recording? I'm recording. Good. Okay. Great. Okay. Turn the light off. Yeah. Good. Turn the light off. Good. Okay. Yeah, things are only getting worse, aren't they? They're only getting worse for me. Only getting worse. Well, I'm going to bed. Again. I'm going to bed. There better not be someone through this door. Blah! Yeah. Yeah, you're scared of me. What the fuck is that? Who is eating my meat? Who? Is that Meat Man? Is that Meat Man? Oh! What the? Huh? What? No, just that. What was that? Huh? Who? Left click. Oh no. Is this? Hello? God, I got paranoia. I'm just paranoid. There's someone in my house. Hello? Oh, I hate this. Hello? I'm here to take a picture of you. Oh. I'm a professional cameraman. Sir, I know you're angry. You just want your picture taken, huh? You just want your picture taken? Can I go to bed? Oh, I can't. That's a shame. That's a shame that I can't just go to bed, huh? Do I have to go upstairs? Ah! Ah! Where do I go? Oh! Oh! Ah! Big man, Austin. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's okay. Everything's okay. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Ah! Oh! Oh! Jesus Christ! Lord above! Oh! Where's the last one? Where's the last one? Ah! Oh! Where's the last one? Where's the last one? Where's the last one? Are you in here? Are you in here? Are you in here? Are you in this corner? Ah! Oh! Oh! Night 6, what the hell do I do? I pack my bags and I get out. If Oh. Okay. Red lights. I'm in a weed house. They got the. Do they use red lights? I don't grow weed. I don't know. Don't they use red lights? I don't know. Maybe they do. All right. We're getting a bed. Ooh, it's red in our room. Wonderful. Get to bed. Sleep. Oh, there's a monster. Sleep. Close those eyes. Go to bed. Don't you step one step closer. Oh. That's not good. I'm gonna take a sip of water while this goes down. Oh. Did I just smother with a pillow? Oh my god. Oh. That was fucking terrific. That was amazing. I love that so much. Oh my god, I love that so much. We didn't even see a monster at any point. Oh my god, that was so well done. Oh, for such a small game, like the download size was I think it was only like 30-ish megabytes. It was something around that. It was very small. That was really good for what it was. Oh my god. I love that so much. But how do we die? Did we get smothered by a pillow? Did a demon just give us the touch of death? We'll never know, sadly. But what we will know is that game was amazing. Well, I'm happy you guys came along with that for the people who did stay. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, turn on post notifications, and what is there to say? Oh, wait. How do I YouTube? No, that's it. All right. Bye. Thank you. Come back. I better see you again. You'll come back? I'm gonna see. We're doing it. Cool. All right. Cool. Peace, peace. Bro. Dude. My friend. Yeah.